Hello and welcome to this week's video reflection. This week we talked about Chapter 7, which was on stratification and social equality. Now, on the topic of social equality, one question I have is, are we as a society ever going to be truly equal? Will that ever exist, or is this just some type of dream that we all think we might want in the future? And if true equality does exist, how would we go about doing that? Would everybody just be given the same opportunities? And if so, would people just be in the same fields and not be able to advance up or anything like that? Would everyone just be the same? One of the other things that really caught my attention this week was when we started talking about social mobility and how if it's worth it or not to go to college, to get a degree, to spend all that money just to be in debt for the rest of your life essentially and be paying that off and or have your family paying it off. And the other thing we talked about was if this prevents people from actually legitimately moving up, even though they might feel like they're moving up in class, they're not really moving up because of the debt, all the money that they owe, and if when they die, their family's going to have to pay that, and the cycle just keeps repeating. And another question I had about this chapter specifically was when we talk about the upper class or rich people in general, do we often just vilify them? Do we just see people with a lot of money as just selfish and just overall bad people, even though that's essentially what we're all trying to do in society? We're all trying to make it big. Like, don't get me wrong, there are rich people that really just don't care about anything except for themselves. But we tend to group everybody in the same field, and I think that just leads to more. And as a result, people won't really get along all that well, and we're just creating more division in an already divided world.